Welcome back to Ox Tools. I'm Tom. So we got a winner in the Toolmakers Square auction, and I just finished packing them up, and these are going to a wonderful new home to a gentleman on the East Coast of the United States. His name is Scott, and he's in Massachusetts. And I just wanted to say I really appreciate, there was a lot of very generous folks out there, let me just put it that way. And there was a lot of activity. I got a lot of emails with bids and shows of support for the work that I'm doing in the channel. And I just want to say it's you guys that make it worth doing this, because it sure ain't YouTube paying me, let me tell you that. But that's another story. But Scott, this is I hope you enjoy your squares, we've resurrected these. We brought them back from the dead, and they were doomed to rust away, but now they're going to a good home, and I hope you get some enjoyment out of them. So real quick, Scott's story is he got the machining bug from his grandfather. His grandfather used to take him in the basement when he was young, and he had a little shop in the basement, and they used to work on stuff on the weekends just to spend time together. So just when he was a little lad. So he kind of got the bug with working with his hands from his grandfather. So kind of cool. And I did a little extra for Scott here. I packed it up in a really nice box here, and we've got it all squared away. Squared away. That's pretty funny, huh? In a nice box, and got one of the enameled badges on there, and some paperwork for Scott to enjoy later on. And I packed in a little bonus gift. I'm not going to say what it is, but Scott, I hope you enjoy it. And kind of goes with the squares. And it's another tool that got resurrected from the dead, literally. So, guys, thank you very much. We're going to do this again. So those folks that missed out on this one, there'll be an opportunity to bid on something else. And maybe we'll take a second here, and I'll show you some of the other items that I'm looking at maybe doing the same thing with. So let's check it out. So these are some other items that I'm considering doing a similar restoration and then auctioning them off to the viewership for those people that are interested. So I'm not sure which one I want to do. I'm kind of leaning towards, some of these have actual, the maker's name in them, like this one here. This is pretty cool. This has got somebody's name in it. And I think, did this one? Yeah. This one also has somebody's name in it too. This one's really cool, but it doesn't have a maker's name in it. It's actually real well made, which would make kind of a nice restoration too. That's a cute little sign bar there. I mean, look at the details there, the little chamfers on that. It's lapped on top. It's got the engine turning or the swirly finish, but it needs a little bit of help, clearly, right? And we can fix that up. This is probably the most work here. This is an unfinished sign bar project that might be kind of fun, and so make some good video content, and then give one of the viewers an opportunity to get their hands on a nicely restored tool, and help out the YouTubers. So anyway, throw some up in the comments which one you might like to see done. Sign bar or angle plate or something else. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and appreciate your continued support and viewership. Thank you.